So here's how you can make a daily schedule checklist for the iPad. Let me show you a couple of ways how you can do this. If this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so me personally, the way that I like to do it is that I like to connect it with one account, and the best way for me is to use it in a combination of the Google Calendar and Google Tasks, because this gets all synchronized over one account. As I said, I'm not saying that's the only option. I'm going to cover some options later in the video, but if I just set up the Google Calendar with one of my Google accounts, you are going to be able to see that I have the ability to see the events, but also the tasks, right? So whenever I just get inside of my, calendar thing, I can see my daily schedule as such. So I can tap on the plus button and add some sort of events for the day. But I can also tap on the plus button and click on a task and set up a task which I want to perform on that day, or even on a specific time of that day. So this is going to give me the ability to not only browse the schedule, so like the activities which I wanna or need to do, but also the complete tasks which are going to be for that particular day. So that's for me the best way to do it. On the other hand, as I said, some people prefer something a little bit simpler. For example, sticking with the Apple apps and going to the reminders app, where as well you can set up sort of like these reminders or things which you can kind of like do and also set it up for individual days. And this also shows you like a list of things which you can like check that you have done it, right? So that's something which you can also do as well, and set it up for individual days and also be reminded about it on a specific time. So I guess that would be another way how you could technically do this. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which option you prefer a little bit more. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.